Bath towels often feature Dobby borders, those stitched lines near the edges, which provide greater durability, help retain the towel's shape, add decoration, and improve grip. While not essential for a towel's primary function of absorbing moisture, these borders contribute to longevity, along with factors like fabric weight and fiber content. To maintain towel quality, it's recommended to wash them every 3 to 4 uses and limit fabric softener, as it can reduce absorbency. Repairing frayed edges can extend their life, and the towel's softness and absorbency are often indicated by its GSM, grams per square meter, with higher numbers generally signifying higher quality. Ultimately, a well-constructed and durable towel will remain absorbent and retain its shape for several years with proper care.